Okay, so workbench editor split sizing controls the sizing of editor groups when splitting them. So we have two options here: distribute, splits all the editor groups to equal parts, so splits all the editor groups to equal parts, and split, splits the active editor group to equal parts, so only the active editor group. So let me show you what this looks like. Distribute works something like this. You can just drag and drop to this side, and we have now two editor groups with the same width. If you do that a third time, now we have three editor groups and they have 1/3 of the width each, right? All right. If we set this to split and we do that again, now when we drag this to this side, notice what happens. Only this editor group is going to be split in half, not all the editor groups. So this is what the setting is. Now I do find it more useful to distribute the widths and the heights between all editors because this makes it for a little better distributed space. So I allocate space a little bit more efficiently by having distribute. So I'm going to leave this one in its default setting of distribute.